have a wonderful and blessed day, everyone. Welcome and enjoy the chirping and singing birds in the background, unceasingly praising and worshiping God. And I'm excited to share with you the daily prophetic word. The Father says today, never take vengeance. I am the God who reigns on the just and the unjust. If that seems unfair, it is only from a human perspective. Do not be the person who preoccupies himself with the choices of others that seem to go undealt with. Leave them to me. Stay focused on working out your own salvation by keeping your mind centered on what I am doing and not what others are getting away with. The hard speeches and rough dealings of others will come to their end in due time. Trust in my equity and keep yourself unspotted from such contaminated thinking. Lot was distressed with the sinister behaviors of the men of Sodom. Yet Lot chose to live there. What are the choices that you will make today? Will you occupy yourself in the narrative of sinful men and what they think you should pay attention to? Don't allow such thoughts to enter into your mind. Guard your heart with all diligence by keeping your mind stayed on me. Remember that it is not by might nor by power, but by my Spirit, the things I am bringing about will get done. Are you an available tool in my hand? Then that is all that matters. Leave the rest to me, says the Father. Thanks for listening, and be more blessed.